All right, thank you guys. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. This is a Cup of Joe and we are live at Fiesta Plaza as we present flavors at Fiesta. Now, this is a Cup of Joe, but you know you're big on the show when your segment have your own name in it. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. She is 4 feet, 3 inches tall. Her name is Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles. Charlene, go on. This is my favorite chef, guys. This is my.
She's telling
She's telling me about. Charlene's telling me about. We talk about core people on the show, and Cheryl. Many times, Merle and I say we can't do this show, and many things we do at our studio without the input of this lady. Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles. This is a slice of Cheryl, and we gave her the challenge to present dishes using the range of Knorr products. Knorr is making a big rebound in the market with a nice range of sauces and sides.
Yes, they are.
Sauces and sides, and we are going to show you how creative you can get using these products, different flavors and so on. They have a Mexican rice, they have a chicken flavor fried rice, some lovely flavors that you can do lovely stuff with. You know, some people don't like to cook and they like fasting.
Yes.
And dish it up nice, and make people feel that you're a big chef.
One day in the kitchen.
You're a big chef. Cheryl, before you get started, Myron B is looking less hungry. Yeah?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
But
Better to have a little room because I went through a lot of trouble to do this vegan meal for him.
Let's welcome our second guest taster for the night. Her name is Natalie Isaac.
Yes.
I got that right. Natalie, welcome. Thank you very much for being here. Natalie, you're a fan of the show? You're a big fan of the show. Big fan of the show. Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles, over to you. What are you doing for us tonight?
So we're going to take the Knorr pesto.
Yeah.
Now, a lot of people love pesto.
So it's a pesto sauce?
Yes, it's a pesto sauce mix. And as I was saying before, a lot of people love pesto. Now, it's a little ticklish to make, so a lot of people don't like it.
Yeah.
So Knorr has made it easy for you. Right? And
so you don't have to grind your nuts and grate your cheese.
You don't have to grind your basil and pour in your olive oil and a little trickle and that kind of stuff. Or use your mortar and pestle.
Right.
Right? They have made it very easy for you. And you can add it into your pasta, put it on the stove, cook it down a little bit, add it into your pasta. But we're going to use it in a salad today. And seeing that we have a special guest today.
A special vegan guest.
A special vegan guest.
Yeah.
I said I'm going to do a quinoa salad for him.
Yes.
Right?
good stuff.
No, I made some Seitan.
Seitan.
Seitan? What's that?
Which, for you meat lovers, you would not like.
What is
It's
this?
not meat.
What is this?
Seitan.
Seitan.
Yes, Seitan.
All right, how many of you heard of Seitan before?
Nobody.
Yeah, just like me. I've never heard of Seitan. What is this, Cheryl?
So it's a meat substitute for vegans and vegetarians. It's made.
You know about it?
Of course.
Of course.
So it's a meat
vegan
substitute.
Right. So it's made from vital wheat gluten. Right, and the gluten is the protein, so it's very high in protein. I have nutritional yeast, aminos, which is something the vegans use, which replaces soy sauce.
Yeah.
I put a little kick in it with a little chili pepper, and I also put some lentils in there. Blend it up together, knead it, and then I steamed it for a little bit.
So it comes in a grain. It comes in a like a mincemeat.
No. You have to put all of it together. The vital wheat gluten is it's in a powdered form.
Wow. Myron, you've had it before?
Yeah, man, that's good stuff.
You know it.
Of course. I also made him some vegan mayo.
Vegan mayo.
Some vegan mayo.
You went all out for Myron B tonight.
All out. That's the way we do it on Papa Joe. Right? So I made it with the Channa water, because that's a new way of, you don't eat eggs.
Channa water.
Channa water.
Call it
From the doubles? From the doubles?
Aquafaba.
Aquafaba.
The Channa water from what? Doubles or the doubles not? Where do you get Channa water from?
From the Channa, from the tin.
From the tin? That's where you made that from?
That's what I made this from.
All right, Cheryl, go ahead.
So first of all, we're going to saute some. I gave you some garlic, so you can mince some garlic for me. I'll put in a little oil in the pot.
Nice.
By the time it's heating up. When you finish with the garlic,
You want this
put it in the
finely
pot.
chopped?
Yes, please.
So I'm finely chopping Chef Cheryl's garlic.
If you look at it, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like meat.
No, Cheryl.
I thought I could fool you for a little bit.
Sure,
but
no. Myron, that looks like meat to you?
yes.
Hey, once it grilled and all of that, and
It
you
looks
put
like
it
meat.
together.
Exactly.
Once you put it together, yeah.
Okay,
Right?
Yeah, good stuff. Look at that, man.
So how you never did Seitan for me?
Because you are meat mouth. You're going to look at me like if I'm crazy. I gave it to you to taste today, and that's what you did.
Natalie,
So-
I apologize. I didn't recognize I was bringing you on to eat Seitan. Have you ever had Seitan before?
No, I haven't.
You haven't had Seitan?
Well, Natalie was
You're
just
looking forward, yeah? First time for everything.
Yes.
First time for everything.
Natalie was just saying that she wants to go healthy. So this is a good way to start.
Fine enough?
Yes, please. And we're just going to saute that down a little. So I'll leave you to man that for me.
I've never manned a substitute for meat, no Seitan, no.
Seitan.
There's a first time for everything.
Wow.
So here we have the quinoa. And to that, I'm going to add some corn. Some channa with cranberries for a little sweetness.
Give them. Good stuff.
Mix that up. And I'm going to put a little bit of our mayo.
Nice.
So tell me the
And then-
process quickly. How you did that, Cheryl?
The mayo, I took the water from the
From the
channa in the
channel.
can.
Right,
Whisk it.
I added some Dijon mustard,
right.
salt, black pepper, and I use avocado oil. So while I'm using my immersion blender and blending it up, I'm gradually adding the avocado oil in it until it comes thick like it's mayo.
So it tastes like mayo?
Well, let's taste it and see. You taste it.
It's no bad, folks. It's no bad at all.
Wow. Smell that.
I'm just going to add some olive oil to it.
I get to know.
I'm becoming a lover of quinoa.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm becoming a lover of quinoa, Myron.
You see, it's
It's
a complete protein as well, huh?
It is.
It is,
Quinoa,
it is.
yes.
It's a
Complete
power
protein.
food, huh? It's
Yeah.
a power
Yes.
food.
Superfood.
Yeah. Superfood.
So we're going to add the pesto to the quinoa.
Oh. Where do you get Seitan?
I made it.
You?
I don't know anywhere. Do you know anywhere that makes it?
The vegan
The same.
stores have them, but they're very expensive.
They're
They're
very
very
expensive,
expensive,
yes,
yeah.
because the products they make it is a little expensive.
So you made it from
So
scratch?
I made it from scratch.
And the
Yeah.
process as well.
Yeah. Right? So, I think we're good there.
The power of plating. Cheryl, this is okay. You could only do 2 plates.
I could only do 2. You don't want to taste it? Oh, you're going to taste this tonight. You're going to taste this tonight.
Can I taste this item by itself?
No.
This is my show.
With a slice of
With
sugar.
a slice of Cheryl.
And we're getting in there. Yes.
It's very chewy.
Get that going. My goodness.
Soft and texture. The texture is very soft inside. Ooh, it has a kick. Who get an extra mayo then?
Our special guest.
Our special guest.
Creamy.
Myron, I see you get excited the whole night like that.
Yeah, that, yeah.
Right? Here you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for a slice of Cheryl.
This is magic, yeah. This is magic.
She gave me a whole plate. Thank you very much, Cheryl. Guys,
You're welcome.
check them out there on all the grocery shelves now for the holidays. Knorr products, there are a full range of sides and sauces. We're going to be experimenting with these sides and sauces over the next 6 weeks here leading up to Christmas. Thank you very much, Chef Cheryl and Shortt-Charles. Thank you very much, Ashley. We are coming back, guys. Flavors at Fiesta. Couple Joe celebrates
5.